Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I remember last time that I did an Elmer Starters Kit slime. So today I'm going to be doing that one again, but I'm going to be doing it with one glue, one activator and 2 red glitter glues. So let's get started. So let's add the glue into my bowl. That sounds so weird. Sounds like something really weird. So I added technically all of the glue. So I'm going to add the spoon in. I'm going to add one of the glitter glue. It just looks really nice. It looks so glittery and so nice while mixing in with it. So I'm just going to mix it up. This is what it looks like. So I'm starting to mix it and now it looks so really nice. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to keep on mixing it until it actually all combines. So I'm going to catch you guys in a bit when it's all like mixed up and stuff. So we cut off the top of the glitter glue, so now I'm going to add that in. Oh my god, it came out so weirdly. So now I think I added all of it in. So now I'm just going to mix that into it. And now I'm just going to see, that looks so nice. That's what it looks like. So now I'm going to keep on mixing until like it actually combines. Then I'm going to add the activator. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So now I'm going to add the activator into the slime and then hopefully it will make it really pretty. So let's add it in. So I'm going to add that much now, but then I'm just going to mix it until it actually kind of combines, and then I'm just going to add the rest. This is actually activating really quickly, because that looks really nice. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to mix it. This looks so weird. I'm going to add some more activator and see what it looks like then. This looks so weird. So I'm going to add the rest of my activator in and then see what it looks like. So it looks so weird. It looks so weird. It's actually stuck on the spoon. So now I think I just need to use my hands for it. So let's go. This feels so weird. Literally, it feels so weird. Oh my gosh. That looks so weird. It actually looks like gelatin, but it's like a bit like too. It looks so weird. So now I'm just gonna mix it, like try to make it like really good. It feels so so weird. It feels like gelatin, but just a bit weird. This feels a bit weird than the last slime, so I'm going to get the spoon and try to like get all of the things off it. So as I actually just put it into the slime, it actually looked like really nice. So I'm trying to get all of the things off of the spoon. I think that's all I can do. So now I'm just going to mix it now. I'm just going to mix it because it just feels like really, really nice. But this doesn't feel like the other slime which I made. But I'm just going to keep on mixing it because it doesn't really feel like slime now. It just feels like goo. But then if I keep on mixing it, it'll be like more like slime. So it actually looks like it's actually evolving now. So yeah, it's actually starting to come off my hands a bit, but it just feels really, really nice. There's still some slime in the bowl, like chunks of it, which I haven't actually mixed. It feels so nice. I'm mixing and mixing it, and it feels really, really nice. To me, like the colour, every time I see red, it actually reminds me of cherries because I love cherries. That's why I like red things. Because if anything red, I was like, that looks just like cherries because now I want cherry. I absolutely love this slime. It's not actually slime yet because it's still really sticky. But I'm just going to keep on mixing it and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. And so I'm just going to see when it's actually all ready. So my dad has kindly actually let me use his shaving cream for my slime. So I'm going to add some of that in. If it will stay in. So now I'm going to mix the shaving cream into the slime. Then it might actually be fluffy slime. So now I'm just going to mix it. It feels so weird and really, really nice at the same time. It doesn't even look like cherries anymore. I'm mixing it. Look at it. It looks so weird. Look at that. This looks it actually looks like candy floss, but it's like whiter. This looks so nice. I love it. I'm just gonna keep on mixing it until it will get better. So I'm gonna see you when it's actually mixed. So as I was actually clicking it actually sounded like popping popcorn. This sounds so nice. So now I'm just going to move the bowl down here. Now I'm just going to put it on the table and like play with it. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe and comment down below what video you want me to do next. So bye!